Hey folks, Jimmy Weller here with Jimmy's Crash Course on this Master Tow. It's a 20-foot long, 14,000 pounds. For those that don't know Master Tow, they are one of our highest quality trailers. This one has a treated wood floor, has a heavy-duty jack with a drop leg. Benefit to that drop leg is you drop the leg down as far as it'll go so that you don't have to crank. You can save 6 to 10 inches by dropping that leg. Has a breakaway switch, which is required by law. However, this one has a tester. So a breakaway switch is a lot like an airbag. You hope you never need it, but you also hope it works when you do need it. It locks the brakes up if the trailer ever comes detached while driving down the road. That way the trailer stops where it is as opposed to potentially hitting another car head on. So there's a battery in there, and that does have a tester. Has a wire mesh tray for your locks, your straps, your chains. It's got that front retaining bumper so you don't drive off the edge. Has those lights there